The BNSF railway network spans more than 32,000 miles of track in 28 states and 2 Canadian provinces. And more than 40,000 BNSF employees are dedicated to providing transportation services that consistently meet our customer expectations. We're a prominent player in the global supply chain, moving goods and materials for use at home and around the world. But moving a product from point A to point B, whether it's coast to coast or a short move from the terminal to a customer, requires a myriad of interacting elements to get the shipment to its destination. It all starts when a customer initiates this complex process by requesting an empty car to be delivered for loading. Most often, the customer utilizes the Railcar Equipment Request web tool that allows customers to request equipment, update orders, view car numbers, modify delivery dates, as well as receive automatic notification if BNSF cannot meet the request. The web tool provides all the necessary information customers need to initiate a shipment on the railroad. Once the customer request has been received, BNSF schedules a switch crew to deliver the required equipment to the customer's facility. The BNSF switch crew receives work orders at the beginning of their shift based on the CDI, Customer Destination Instructions, and SSI, Standing Spotting Instructions, which determines where and how to spot the car at the customer's facility. The CDI also contains details and information about a customer's facility. For instance, the information on the CDI would indicate the capacity of the facility, either measured by feet or by the number of cars. The accuracy of both the customer destination instructions and the standing spotting instructions is critical to the efficient handling of the equipment. The SSI provides the specific instructions where the switch crew should spot the equipment. The trainmaster should notify customer support if either the CDI or SSI is not accurate and needs to be updated. Following delivery of the equipment, the customer then loads the cars. If a customer takes longer than 24 hours to load rail-controlled cars, demurrage charges generally start to apply. Once loaded, the customer has several options to communicate to BNSF that cars are ready for pickup by submitting a waybill or shipping instructions on bnsf.com. This web tool allows customers to electronically create, modify, and delete shipping instructions, accept or reject notifications, as well as print the instructions. Customers can also call BNSF using Voice Customer Recognition, or VCR. And finally, customers can utilize the Switch and Release application that allows them to schedule future releases, receive immediate verification on all requests, reject empty equipment, as well as specify the arrangement of the requested equipment at their facility. To modify any instructions or request, customers can use the Shipping Instructions Modification tool, or SIM. Once the request for pickup has been received by BNSF, a local switch crew returns to the customer's facility to pick up the loaded equipment. The cars are then moved to a local terminal's classification yard, where cars from many customers are gathered and placed in designated trains scheduled for departure to different destinations. When a car reaches its final destination, BNSF electronically alerts the customer that it has arrived and is available to be delivered. Fulfilling the customer's instructions, a BNSF trainmaster issues work orders to their local switch crew to deliver the designated shipments to the customer facility. The switch crew at the service yard follows the CDI and SSI that already exist in the customer's file. If there are revisions to the handling instructions, the CDI and SSI should be updated to reflect those new changes for future crews to follow. Once the shipment is delivered, the customer generally has 48 hours to unload rail-controlled equipment and release it back to BNSF. When the car is ready for release, the customer notifies BNSF using the Switch and Release tool. If the customer takes longer than 48 hours to release the car, demurrage charges generally start to apply. Demurrage charges are tracked electronically, and customers can always view the demurrage charges by utilizing the Demurrage tool at bnsf.com. This fee is utilized to maximize velocity to increase capacity, which leads to service improvements and lower costs for BNSF and our customers. For private equipment on private track, there is no 48-hour requirement. The Carload Pipeline Report is also a powerful tool to assist the customer with efficiently managing rail cars and demurrage at their facility. It provides a real-time view of cars in the pipeline headed towards the customer facility. Within this tool, you can release, order, or divert cars in a few keystrokes, since it links to other BNSF applications. Even though the gathering and distribution process is designed to help achieve our vision to consistently meet our customers' expectations, we also want to meet those expectations by operating safely. Our safety vision is to prevent all accidents and injuries and ensure that we return home safely at the end of the workday. Each day, BNSF gathers and distributes more than 4,500 shipments for carload customers and delivers those shipments on 225 designated merchandise trains. Utilizing efficient processes, the latest technological advancements, and e-business web-based tools, BNSF continuously strives to meet our customer expectations. Whether it's 2,500 or 25 miles, the process remains the same. And BNSF has built a reputation for best-in-class customer service.